Hello everyone, take a balloon and then wrap some saran wrap all over it. Once you are done with this, take a marker and then begin to draw on this. Draw flowers and other plants and any such things you like. Then pop the balloon and then add a light underneath it. Switch it on in the dark as such. Next, start off by taking some plastic paper and then cut it out in the shape of a petal. Now, taking a marker, add a stick through it and then at the ends, burn it using a lighter. Take a earbud and then stick all of them together and then add the earbuds in the center after dipping it in paint. Add some lights to it and there you have it. Now we'll be learning how to make this lantern. Start off by taking a branch of leaves and then add some glue and water together. Take a balloon and then add some paper mache, that is a mix of the glue and water. Use a paintbrush in order to do so, cut out the top, add a light through it and then stick the leaves on. Next, take some glue and then add some thread to it. Make this some jute thread. Blow the balloon through it and then wrap the jute thread around it. Once you are done with this, take out the balloon, add a light to the bottom of it and there you have it. This is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking a bottle, cut the bottle in half and then make a V-shaped cut. Take some ice cream sticks and then stick it all around, cut off the excess. Take some pine cones and then stick it on a cardboard paper as such. Add it to the top as a roof and then add the light underneath it and then you have a house. Now take some green crepe paper on one of the sides, add some glue, fold it over, add wires underneath. Cut it up to make it look like a leaf and then add a wire through some white ball of clay. Wrap it around and then at the bottom use some paper to make it stay still. Now take some glue and water mixed and then wrap it around a balloon. You have yourself a little coconut tree, add some lights to it to make it all the more better. Take some jute thread or some hay and in a small little cup, add some glue and then add some water. Adding it onto a tissue paper, stick it all together. That is the branches and the leaves and the tissue paper. Add some hay at the top and then there you have it. Make a frame out of it too. Now start off by taking a small little plastic cup. Take a red marker and paint all over it. This will make it pink. Cut it up almost in the shape of petals as such. After you are done with this, add a little base to it. Add multiple layers as such. Then add a light in the middle to make it look all the more better. Next, you need some fairy lights. Twist it a little, take a branch of wood or a log and then stick it on a small sheet of cardboard paper. Take a small egg and then add some glue to the top. Stick it as such. Take some green fruit foam net and then add it all around and finally this is what it should look like. Add some lights to it as well. Next, take 3 small clips of paper, stick it all together as such. Let them be brown. Then, taking this triangular sheet, add some decorative tissue behind it. Make multiple of these triangles, lift it up and make it into a 3D one. Then add some lights into it and hang it up wherever you please. Now we'll be learning how to make these flowers. For this, take some empty jelly flasks and then cut it up into multiple slits as such. Then use a lighter to burn the edges and inside add some silver or golden paper. Add a light through it and then hang multiple up of these together. Next, we will start off by taking some leaves. We have chosen these red leaves. Add glue on a piece of tissue paper. Make this glue mixed with water. Make a triangular shape out of this. Make multiple of these triangular shapes and then make a 3D triangle out of it. Add some light on the inside and hang it up as you please. Next, take some empty tissue roll, make multiple slits in it. Fold all of the slits downwards and stick it in place. Take another tissue roll and then cut out half of it. Then make triangular shaped cuts on it and then make multiple layers of this. Stick them one on top of the other and then add lights. Now take some tissue paper, add some water to it. Then take strawberries as well as some leaves, add it to the top. Then add some glue and water mixed to this. Now make a frame out of some wooden sticks. Insert your design and there you have it. Thank you for watching.